Disaster assistance and response team has just received the green light for an urgent earthquake mobilization. Every second counts when lives are under the rubble. It's not just personnel. This emergency mission requires tons of specialized search and rescue gear, all being loaded with precision into a C-17 Globemaster III aircraft. This aircraft is the lifeline between Florida and the disaster zone in Venezuela. The final phase of deployment has begun. Specialized equipment is locked in as personnel and rescue dogs walk toward the C-17 Globemaster III aircraft on the flight line. The rescue team boards the aircraft, ready for deployment. But the most critical part of this mission manifest? The canine search and rescue teams. These highly trained working dogs are essential for finding survivors beneath the rubble, often succeeding where technology falls short. As the team completes boarding and loads their specialized equipment, the aircraft doors close and the search and rescue mission officially begins.